Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super hot today. And we're gonna show you guys how to remove and replace phone turn signal light bulb on Mercedes CLK W208. So as you know, left right side will be identical procedure. This is where your bulb is. We'll have a video how to make those headlights like brand new without buying new lights. One bulb there and one bulb here as well. So we'll demonstrate on this side. We pull the airbox out. You don't have to do that, but we need more room so we can shoot the video and show you what we're doing there. Okay, so now if you go right there, okay, let me show you this thing right there. This is the turn signal light bulb. Okay, it's above the headlight bulbs. Okay, so this is it right there. All you have to do, twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, okay, like that, and you can see you need to make sure you get the right bulb. Okay guys, so when you're ready to install it, all you will have to do is just push it in like that. Okay, you need to get in the slots. It goes only one way. And then you need to turn clockwise. Okay, until it clicks like that and it's closed. So that'll be the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.